I don't think anyone prepared Gen X for this midlife loneliness stuff. They warned us about money. They warned us about our retirement, pros and cons. Warned us about our health problems. But seriously, did anybody sit you down one day and say, one day, you might just be feeling completely alone? Not because you're a bad person. Not because nobody loves you. Just because life changes. When you're young, people are everywhere. You can't swing a dead cat with hitting somebody. Friends from school, teacher, neighbors, bosses, kids running through the house, family gatherings, ball games, birthday parties. Life is loud. Life is busy. Life is comfortable. But then as you get older, the kids grow up, they move away. They're supposed to. That's life. That is part of life and what we're doing. But the house gets quieter. Friendships start to change. We all deal with it differently, Not because anybody's angry. People get busy. They move. Divorces. Change their job. They stop calling. And before you know it, people you used to see every day or every week become strangers that you haven't talked to in years. Then there's the losses. For many of us, born in the 60s and 70s, reaching the age where our parents are either getting older or already lost, buried them. Some of us have buried both of our parents. Some of them have lost brothers, sisters. I've lost 2 brothers, friends, both my parents. People we thought would always be here. They're not on the same journey as you. Every loss leaves a little empty space. And eventually those spaces take up a lot of space in your life. And what makes it worse, we stop talking about it. We isolate. We stay home, we watch TV, we get on the couch, we start to drink, doom scrolling on social media. We convince ourselves that it's okay, part of life. But deep down, we are lonely. Not because we want pity, because we're human. Humans aren't meant to be completely alone. It's just a fact. Problem, many of us in Gen X grew up believing we were just supposed to handle our shit ourselves. Don't complain. Don't you cry. Don't put that shit on anybody else. Just deal with it. Internalize it. Grind it. So you sit in silence. And that silence gets heavier every year. The good news is that loneliness doesn't have to be a life sentence. You can and should reconnect. Make new friends. Join groups. Start conversations. Get on a dating site. I know. Call people. Reestablish old relationships. Even if it's from afar. You can build a community. But it requires something most of us really hate. I know I do. You got to reach out first. You got to hear risking no. Risk feeling awkward for a second or two. Stop waiting for someone else to make the first move, big guy and big gal. 57. I've learned that relationships need maintenance, just like your health, your money, and everything else that matters in your life. If you ignore them long enough, they begin to die, disappear. If this sounds familiar, you're not the only one. It's a lot of us, millions of Gen Xers, same exact spot. The difference is some of them finally starting to talk about it. That's why I started this channel. If you're starting over like me, please follow along. Type I'm in so I know you're doing it with me. And if you're serious about rebuilding and want somebody to walk alongside of you, I'm an accountability coach. Reach out to me at erichobaugh@gmail.com about one-on-one coaching or lower cost one-on-one check-in support calls. I do them all the time. Or go watch the next video. We are just getting started. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.